फ्रेंड्स, इससे पहले हमने इंडेक्स नंबर्स में जो भी मेथड्स देखे, व्हाट वाज इंपॉर्टेंट इन दैट? फिक्स बेस बनाना, चेन बेस बनाना है, फिर फिक्स को चेन में कन्वर्ट कीजिए, चेन को फिक्स में कन्वर्ट कीजिए, और there was a method showing horizontal presentation as well as the vertical view. Now we are coming across beyond the illustration number 10 rather. Let's shift our attention to the illustration number 11. If you look carefully in your textbook PDF, that illustration 11 is asking something about the weighted average index of the prices. Let's recollect one thing, that how the index is prepared. Index is prepared in the simplest way by the division of new price upon old price. You must be remembering that your index shows your price current divided by your price old multiplied by 100. I hope everyone remembers this one. The new price upon old price divided by 100. This is nothing but preparation of an index. What is the old price and what is the new price is not now new to us. It's very simple because you know what the year wise information is given. Let's shift our attention to the question itself. Here the items are given A, B, C, D, E. Some weight are already available. Make sure the question itself has given the weight. We will come across the points whereby even the weights will not be given and we are going to find it out ourselves. But that comes in near future. Let's see. The weights are available. Prices are given with the two different years. Year 2011 price and year 2016 price. Which means you should be sure which one is old and which one is new. Sure? Let's see. How can we understand which is old and new? 2011, 2016. Relatively old and relatively new. Which means this is the P0 price. And this must be the P1 price. Am I right? Easy. So this is old price, this is new price. So old and new, if you repeat the presentation this way, this is old, this is old. Likewise, if you see, these are the old price and these are the new prices. Nothing but we are assigning only a symbol to it. We are just giving or assigning one symbol to it. So there is no change in any parameters. The things are just assigned with a single number, which we call it as a P0 or P1. Let's see. How does it work? P1 upon P0 into 100. So this is P1, this is P0. This item number A says P1 upon P0 into 100, which means your index will come this way. How? 200 divided by 160 into 100. Make sure your presentation should go 200 divided by 160 into 100, which means you have the calculators. Should I not repeat the things, because you know, right, the repetition annoys anyone. So make sure you know this process. So 200 into 100, that is divided by 160. You can easily find out what is the I in this case. Can you tell me what shall be the I of the first case? You are right, it is 125. Similarly, let's switch to the second. 600 divided by 400 into 100. Clear? So P1 upon P0 into 100, every time you can make it. I'm just making the formal calculation because you can make it very easily in this case. Divide by 10 into 100, and finally to your numbers, 3 divided by 2 into 100. Let's see what are the answers shall come. You can easily deduct the zeros. You can also find out with the help of calculators. You can make it. Your second answer shall be 150. What shall be your third answer? It should be 140 once you deduct or divide. Then after, your answer shall come at a very cancellation of two zeros, that is 180, and then after comes your answer is 150. So these answers are easy to get in, but this is only I. Two prices are used to find out P0, P1 and also I from it. So we have ready index with us. Now what is the use of weight? Have you studied, if you remember, that you have already gone through the weighted mean in your 11th standard statistics. What is the weighted mean? Your whatever data are given with X should be multiplied by W. W means the weight. So here they are calling weight as W, which means now we need one last column, and that column is multiplication of I into W. Make sure we have ready I and we have ready W. Again, ready I, ready W. Again, I, W. Are you getting me? So likewise, these two data are to be multiplied. It's easy to multiply. Look at the numbers. 125 into 40. Easy? Okay, let's make it multiplied. It is 5,000. I'm just using the other board just to make it sure that you can understand properly. 150 into 25. Are you getting? So these are the numbers which you are supposed to get. 3750. The another one, 140 into 5 shall come around 700, right? Let's switch the next. 180 into 20. That is going to be 3600. And the last one should be 150 into 100 shall be 1500. Let's have a look at it. What we are supposed to do? We are supposed to make the total of it. IW, which means multiplication is ready with us. Now we are going to make the total, which means 5000 plus 3750 plus 700 plus 3600, and likewise the total shall come on your calculator around 14,550. But how to use this total in your answer? The answer formula comes like this: sigma I into W, which is ready with us. I into W, sigma, which means the total. So sigma IW divide by, are you aware of the fact that in the last year, in the 11th itself, you have made it sigma WI XI upon sigma WI. WI was the total of weights, which means in symbolical terms it is sigma W. If you focus on this, this is called your weighted mean formula. In this case, it is called weighted index formula. Sigma IW upon sigma W, which means what is IW? IW is the multiplication which is readily available with the total. So it is 14550 upon sigma W. Make sure sigma W means total of weight. Sigma W is nothing but the total of all the weights. Weight should be totaled up, and that shall give you the answer of total weights. Getting it? Clear? So the total of weight, if you try with the calculator, it comes to 100. So let's put it this way: your answer shall be around 145.5, or you can say 0.50. If the question is asking another question, that what is the increase it shows, how much increase can you see by this? Any increase or any decrease shall be compared with only 100. हमें सिर्फ 100 के साथ कंपेयर करना है. ये आंसर कितना आया? 145.50. क्या ये 100 से ऊपर है, यानी 100 से ज्यादा है? Yes. तो इसका मतलब इंक्रीज कितना हुआ? Let's find it. It's very easy. If they are asking about the increase is 145.50 minus your basic data 100. Your indices has inevitable base as 100. So it gives you 45.50. This is the answer of your increase. If the question asks another question, that is how much is the increase, you can show this. If they don't ask, your answer is ended here. Are you getting? So this is nothing but the index number with weight. Normally we call it I small w. This is your index numbers with weight. Make sure this method is also known by two another names. I repeat, this method is also known by two another names. इसी मेथड को दो अलग अलग नामों से भी बुलाया जा सकता है. एक नाम तो आप बोर्ड पे देख रहे हैं जिसका नाम है वेटेड एवरेज इंडेक्स, और बाकी के नाम मैं लिख रहा हूं बोर्ड पे, जरा ध्यान से देखिए. इस मेथड को कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग इंडेक्स भी कहा जाता है, या फिर इस मेथड को फैमिली का बजट भी कहा जाता है. आप जानते हैं कि लिविंग कॉस्ट का मतलब होता है एक्सपेंडिचर बिहाइंड द commodities or items which are used in a household. So one is cost of living, another is family budget. These both names can be used in a question, but remember you are supposed to solve by this method, which means your weighted average, your cost of living index, your family budget represents the same method, right? So this shall enable you to calculate your weighted average indexes.